Welcome to SICTC Automotive Collision Repair. Here at the Tech Center, we do all kinds of different opportunities on collision repair. We start with the very beginning as a student comes in, so you do not need prior experience. We start with the tools, safety, then we jump right into the bodywork. Here at the Tech Center in Collision Repair, we offer dual credits. We partner with Vincennes University. We do painting and refinishing, non-structural lecture, non-structural lab, non-structural painting, and non-structural lab. And we offer ASC certifications. And all these are no cost to the student or the parent. So you get college credits at no cost that can transfer to Vincennes University. The ASC certificates carry on for a year if you go into college or you go into the workplace. We have ASC for non-structural repair, structural repair, painting and refinishing, and mechanical and electrical. So we jump right in hands-on. We do about 60% hands-on and 40% in the classroom. We do small projects. We try and start on smaller projects, but as you can see, we have the Warwick County Sheriff Department Humvee that we actually did a flat back paint job to it, and we did the wiring for the lights. So we do get into a little bit of electrical. So that's one of our bigger jobs. We also do smaller bumpers. This is a bumper for our company, actually. It is a steel bumper, which we cover from steel to SMC to plastic repair. We do not do much glass repair in here, but we do a lot of sanding and putty on fenders and fixing small dents. We do overalls. We have a nice little Toyota that we are starting to do into the paint room. We're going to move into the paint room with it. We actually have the hood in the paint room that we're getting ready to paint. All students do the work. I do not do the painting. I just advise and paint. We have a downdraft paint booth, and it is a bake-on. It will bake at 138 degrees once we get everything done on it, so we have a very nice facility with it. We do have our own paint mixing where we can mix some paint, and students will get hands-on. We do not mix large amounts, but they get to learn to use the scale and the proper parts per grams on a mixture. Before we move to the paint booths, we do a lot of small dent repair on fenders. We do anything that is dent repairable unless we have to replace it. We have our primer booths. We have two nice primer booths. As you can see, we have some fenders that all students have started to work on. They learn how to do the whole process of making a dent repair, putting the primer on, block sanding, and prepping it, getting it ready for paint. And then we do smaller projects besides cars. This is aluminum, which is a good project for the students. It'll be a total paint job when we're done with it. You can see where they're doing some putty work and getting it all blocked up, ready to go. We allow students to bring in their own projects. This is a student project, and he's stripping the paint off of it to restore this with his dad. The only thing with the student projects we do allow, but we need to understand that whoever the students or the parents are responsible for their own supplies and materials, because paint materials are pretty expensive, down to even the sandpaper. So you are allowed to bring in your own projects as long as you understand that you are responsible for the cost of it. Okay? Well, we try and keep all the work that we do in here to industry standard. Our advisory board that shop owners advise us what they look to hire students out of our program into, and they want it to be industry standard what they do in their own shop. We do use the frame rack and do small pulls. We do some SMC repairs, so they get their hands and they get a broad spectrum in here. SMC, like on this Corvette, we have some spots we had to putty up, fix, and then we put primer on it. We'll get ready to blend some paint on that. So students do get the chance of blending and painting and doing the clear coat. We also do some fiberglass. We get into some fiberglass repair. Not a large amount, but we always end up with some box body hoods or something that's true fiberglass. So they do get a chance to do some fiberglass work. And then all students get a chance to disassemble. We disassemble cars so they understand where the parts come from, nuts and bolt sizes, and all the aspects and technology of the car. So you get a broad range in a collision repair. That's collision repair. Hope that you get online and sign up for the collision repair if you have a love for cars, and we will see you then. Thank you.